Hi, welcome back. Well, today I'd like to talk about miter saws. Now, there's different types of miter saws. There's fixed miter saws and there's sliding miter saws. There's also miter saws that range in size of the blades. There's 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch. This is a 12-inch miter saw. This is what I have. It's fixed, which means it does not slide, which means that you have a little less capacity as far as the width of the cut. But the reason I have the fixed one is a few simple facts here. First of all, I feel that a fixed miter saw has better dust collection. Since your blade does not come out away from the fence as far, it sucks in the dust better. That's my own personal belief and preference. So that's one reason I'm really try very hard to stick with a fixed miter saw. Of course, sometimes I do want to cut larger items, larger widths, and this little trick, which I'll show you in a little while. Also, of course, one nice thing about a fixed miter saw is that they cost less than the sliding miter saws. And also, I feel that a fixed miter saw, since it does not slide out, it has less slop in it, in the rails. Even though those rails are tight, this face over time they can wear. So a fixed miter saw would not do that. So I just prefer the fixed miter saw because I feel that I get more accurate cuts. I feel that it has better dust collection, and plus the fixed miter saw costs less too, which is another plus. So let's get into this. Now I'll show you my little trick.